My dear brothers and sisters, today's gospel reading may sound so familiar or may be common to all of us whenever we would near the end of a liturgical year, whenever we would approach December for the first Sunday of Advent, madalas makakarinig po tayo ng mga kwento tungkol sa papaano matatapos ang mundong ito, papaano ang paghuhukom o papaano ang mga huling araw ng mundong ito. And as I've said, this gospel reading is one good example. And we will be hearing a lot of these, most especially come next week. But you know, my dear brothers and sisters, while it is important to look forward, it is also good to prepare by living the present moment. Jesus reminded his disciples with these words, "The kingdom of God cannot be observed by saying that here it is, here he is, there it is, there he is, for the kingdom of God is among you. It is among us." Our catechism would say that it is the already but not yet. Pero nariyan na, buhay na, kasama at parte na ng ating buhay. Hindi malayo sa atin, ginagawa at binubuhay na natin ito araw-araw. It is a big temptation to always look forward, that we do not anymore tend to live in the present moment and not to live anymore what is within us and what is of us. While it is good once again to prepare by looking forward, it is much better to live rightly our today. Living the present so well and good is just confirming what Jesus said, the kingdom of God is among you. If you are a lolo or a lola, then be a good lola or lolo today and in the next days. If you are studying, do it well and study well. If you work today so well. If you are a mother or a father, be a good parent today and in the next days. As a Catholic, we express and embrace our faith every day. As a person, we do what is entrusted to us, good, big or small, doing everything well today. It is good to look forward, but let us not forget to live happily the present moment. Baka sobra naman pong tanaw tayo sa susunod at sa mga haharapin natin na hindi na natin nagagawa ang tama, ang mga ngayon sa buhay natin. We do what God has blessed us today, big or small, so that we can embrace His kingdom, this kingdom that is His presence in our lives.